Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below. What's going on with your neck?
I am just dealing with the neck issue for the last 2 years. I don't know if it's my career related because I sit on the computer for hours and just had the right information, almost like a gap in between vertebrae on the right. And I did one like 5 color therapy, one PRP.
Therapy, PRP.
Neck physical.
You had physical therapy.
Therapies, and then.
You said you had chiropractor.
Okay, a tremendous amount of the chiropractor.
Okay, like, so you had physical therapy, chiropractor, PRP, and prolotherapy.
Yes.
And how long this neck issue going on?
Last 3 years. Yes. And then recently, I felt like I didn't give enough attention to my left, so my left in the sleep had a spasm. Well, I just slept in the wrong side, or I don't know what happened, but when I woke up, I couldn't get in. It happened in February 10th.
Okay.
I couldn't get out of bed.
Just waking up and you started to feel muscle spasm.
Whole area, all the way to my gut, and including my ribs. I couldn't go to bathroom. I had to. I was in bed. I just couldn't get up. It was just so painful to sneeze. So painful to. Chiropractor for.
How much pain now from 0 to 10?
For here, I would say more like 4 or 5.
4 or 5, is that constant or with the movement?
With the movement, more like.
With the movement, okay. So we're gonna do the movement, and you tell me from 0 to 10 how much pain, okay?
Okay.
So I want you to look down as far as you can. Look up as far as you can. Okay, that's not too bad. Turn to the left and right. Side bend. That's a little bit stiff, okay? Not too bad. Not too bad. Okay, we're gonna twist.
Right.
On this side. Okay.
This one was just like this here, but it got better.
But most of the tightness there. Did you feel more tightness with turning or side bend?
Always bent.
Side bend. That's you feel it in the tightness. Okay.
Or this bend, if I pull it upwards, right here.
Yeah. How much from 0 to 10?
Well, I would say maybe the existing pain is maybe 3, and if I pull it, maybe 5.
Well, she had tinnitus in the ear, 8 out of 10 before doing the treatment. I actually worked on the back only, and I'm starting to work on the neck now. And how much is now from 0 to 10, the tinnitus? So currently it's like almost 0.
I would say 0.
Yep. So actually, and that could be one of the reasons for having tinnitus, of fascia restriction, scar tissue pulling on the craniosacrum joint and actually cause that sound. That could be one reason. There's other reason that need to be evaluated for, but that's a possible reason. You could have a lot of fascia restriction, a lot of tightness here that is actually shifting the ear canal and cause that sound. There's a lot of scar tissue and fascia restriction here. I'm going to use your fascia. You feel here, this is very tight. Scar tissue usually feel hard when you work on it, and when I break it down, you start to feel like pliable tissue, not as hard, until we totally get rid of it. And you can see the map all here of the scar tissue. There's redness. Here a little bit grinding here. Bend forward and backward.
A little bit tight, look down.
From 0 to 10.
The first movement was maybe 3, 4.
Okay.
The second one, it's very loose.
Okay, so let's move it around side to side. How's that? Moving fast now.
Yeah, this is actually, nothing is pulling when you do that. When I do these exercises, it's almost like there's something is,
pulling your head, the scar tissue. Yep.
Yeah. And then the side is just still a little bit tight here.
0 to 10?
Oh, the pain is not this much, but it's I still can't go down. But,
from 0 to 10, how much?
Maybe 3, 4.
Three,
Not,
four.
not
Where do you feel it?
just the whole long way. This muscle.
So we're gonna use a Magna Hill Pro for 3 minutes. For mild inflammation, that should be good enough time to help with decreasing the inflammation. So we'll come back after 3 minutes. Okay, we just finished with the Magna Hill Pro. So let's move your neck again and tell me how that feel.
This is very loose. I like it.
Okay,
This one it's better.
good. Turn left and right.
But this is very loose.
Very good.
I felt like a restriction like right here, but it always feels like pulling somewhere.
Do you feel any pulling now, or it's feel better?
No, this one is there's no pulling here.
Okay.
This one is very nice.
Okay, side.
This one is still a little bit.
Where do you feel it? Where is this spot?
It's pulling from almost like from my
Shoulder.
shoulder.
Yep. Okay, we'll work on that.
Yeah, I do.
So you feel the point in the shoulder.
Yeah.
You injured that shoulder?
I don't think so.
Oh yeah.
Slip.
You said you had cancer in that side.
There. Yep, it's right here.
It makes sense to flush a little bit here. But, how's that?
Oh my gosh.
The other side.
Oh, that's great.
Let's do all the range of motion again.
Okay.
You're really moving fast.
Oh,
Look at
gosh.
you. Yeah.
I am happy.
Then forward
this
and backward.
Oh gosh.
Yeah. So
I'm really happy.
that's good. So how long that was?
That was basically for 3 years.
For 3 years.
Especially this one was since last month, but the neck issue started 3 years ago.
Yeah. So what do you think about ASTR treatment? Just working on it for a few minutes.
Unbelievable.
Yeah.
I'm really happy. I can move now.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.